wolves, guardians of the wilderness. Exploring the legacy, ecology, and symbolism of an iconic predator.
By AI for Kids. Dive into the intriguing world of wolves, where nature's complexity unfolds. This book explores their significant ecological role, vibrant social structures, remarkable communication, and rich cultural significance, offering an enlightening journey through their realm. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
The Wolf's Majestic Realm.
Wolves are masters of adaptation, inhabiting diverse environments from the frosty tundras to serene forests. Their howl echoes through mountains, grasslands, and varied landscapes where they thrive. These territories, spanning across the northern hemisphere, are vital for the wolf's survival and for supporting a delicate ecological balance. As apex predators, wolves maintain harmony within ecosystems, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity.
In the heart of wilderness, the wolf stands resilient, embodying adaptability that inspires awe. Its presence in diverse habitats mirrors its enduring spirit and ecological importance. Wandering through tundras or forests, the wolf is ever vigilant, aware of its vital role in nature's grand design.
A Wolf's World, Society and Structure.
Wolves are the epitome of social harmony, thriving in packs led by the alpha pair. These structured family units demonstrate intricate social behaviors, where cooperation ensures survival. Pack members communicate through a symphony of howls, body language, and scent markings, cementing their bond and coordinating hunts. This powerful social structure forms the backbone of their existence, a testament to nature's intricate design.
The wolf pack moves gracefully, an embodiment of unity and strength. Each howl narrates a story, echoing their collective spirit and deep connection. Within the pack lies strength and survival, bound by a language of its own.
The Art of the Hunt, Wolf's Diet.
Carnivorous and strategic, wolves primarily hunt large herbivores such as deer and elk, but their diet is varied, including smaller mammals and carrion. Their hunting techniques are a blend of intelligence and instinct, a dance of precision and patience. This predatory prowess ensures not just their survival but also keeps herbivore populations in check, demonstrating their crucial ecological role.
In a delicate balance of power and strategy, wolves embark on the hunt. Their prowess ensures ecological harmony, a dance of survival and sustenance. Every hunt is a test of skill and instinct, where survival and sustenance go hand in hand.
Born to lead, wolf reproduction.
In the chilling breath of winter, wolves embark on a journey of renewal. The mating season, from February to April, marks the creation of new life. The alpha female, central to the pack's future, gives birth after a gestation of about 63 days. The emergence of 4 to 6 pups signifies hope and continuity, their nurturing surrounded by the pack's unwavering support.
With each season's turn, new life springs forth. The pack surrounds the den, a circle of life and protection, ensuring the future is woven with care. Each pup represents a promise of the future, nurtured with love and unity.
Vigilant custodians, conservation and challenges.
Wolves face a precarious balance in nature, with their status varying from least concern to endangered in certain regions. These majestic beings face threats from habitat loss, human conflict, and hunting. Conservation efforts strive to protect them, spotlighting the importance of coexistence and awareness. Understanding their role is essential for preserving the intricate web of life they support.
In the shadow of challenges, wolves persist as vigilant custodians of nature. Their story of survival and resilience calls for harmony and respect. The future of wolves hinges on our willingness to cohabit and preserve.
Symbolism in fur, cultural significance of wolves.
Across cultures, wolves are shrouded in mystique and symbolism, often depicted as symbols of wilderness and freedom. They embody dichotomies of protector and predator in folklore and mythologies, representing themes of loyalty, cunning, and strength. This cultural tapestry enriches human understanding, revealing the deep-seated reverence and lessons drawn from these enigmatic creatures.
The stories of old echo with the calls of the wolf, a symbol of power and mystery. From protector to trickster, its spirit lingers in our tales. In stories and symbols, the wolf's essence endures, a beacon of primal wisdom.
Echoes of the wild, communication.
A wolf's howl is its signature, a haunting melody that transcends vast distances. This form of communication fosters pack unity, signals territory boundaries, and orchestrates hunts. Additionally, body language and scent play pivotal roles in their interactions, weaving an intricate system of signals that maintains the pack's social order and survival.
The air vibrates with the wolf's call, an orchestration of the wilderness that binds the pack and echoes their existence. In every howl lies the essence of unity and survival, a timeless call to the wild.
The pack's legacy, wolves and enduring spirit.
The story of the wolf is one of legacy and survival, a narrative of resilience etched in the annals of nature. These apex predators, guardians of ecological balance, remind us of the harmony between life and environment. Their story calls for understanding and preservation, a testament to the enduring spirit shared by both creature and creator alike.
In the dance of time and space, the wolf emerges as a beacon of resilience. Its legacy is mirrored in the wilderness, an eternal flame of life. As keepers of the wild, wolves inspire both reverence and responsibility, urging us to embrace conservation.